Greetings, one and all. It's time we heed the call to live a wise life, one that stands tall. We have all got choices every day to make things better in every way. So let's start with our minds, our thoughts, and our beliefs. Positive energy, let's make it the chief. From there, it's our actions, the things we do that make a difference for me and for you. Choose kindness and love in all that we do, compassion and empathy, let's make them true. For ourselves, for our families, and for our friends, a wise life has meaning that never ends. Let's think about the world and what we can give to make it better so all can live. In peace and harmony with love in our hearts, a wise life ignites and never departs. So let's go out and make our mark, a wise life's journey. It's never too dark. It's a shining light that guides the way a wise life's lived. It blossoms each day. Embrace this moment, each and every one. Live life to the fullest and have some fun. Remember always to be sincere. A wise life is a gift, it's always near. So let's all stand tall and make a pact to live a wise life with all our facts. Together we will rise and make a change. A wise life is never strange.